go ahead with encapsulation.
No confusion. Clear.
Yeah, we can go ahead.
All right, so what is encapsulation? Any idea prior or anything you can think about using this English word encapsule?
Encoding, like for security reasons.
Yeah, for
Or
security
like
reason, that's correct. Yeah.
binding things into like multiple things into in one form.
Multiple things into one form. No. So that is kind of polymorphism. Sarah.
Oh yeah, multiple forms, right?
Yeah. So encapsulation as in what you are doing, you are wrapping up data as well as members in a class, right? So it is actually, it is a process of wrapping up data, wrapping data and code in a single unit. So class is having variables, class is having methods, class is having constructor, likewise, right? So for the security purpose, they do wrap up the data in a single class. So basically it is we do that with the help of getter and setter methods, right? So it is actually a technique making a field in a class private and providing access via public methods. What we do, we declare the variable as private and we declare the classes as public, and with the help of those sorry, not classes, methods as public, with the help of those methods only we can declare the variables of the class. We cannot directly access the variables of the class. So actually we are encapsulating as in wrapping the variables with the methods, right, for the security purpose, and then we can access those variables with the help of methods only. So what it does, it actually provides control over data, and by providing getter and setter. Getter and setter methods, we can make class read only and write only, and write only. Okay, so understood that, right? We have variables as private and methods as public, and with the help of methods only we do access the variables of the classes. So we are actually wrapping up variables with the methods into single unit, right? So let's take the example of that, and let me use demo only here. So in demo, what we are doing, we are writing one public, let's say string name equal to, let's say, Selenium automation. Now what I am doing, public string get name, and then it should return name. Then what I am doing, public void set name string new name name equal to new name, then public static void main in that I'm creating object of demo d equal to new demo, and I am calling the method with this d dot get name, and that I am storing here string value followed by I am just printing that value. So d dot set name, and here I am passing another string, let's say Selenium automation, so automation testing, and then I am with the help of this get name value we already have, and then we are printing C so well. Okay, so let me run this and then I will explain you what is happening here. Tion. Okay, now what we are doing, guys, so we have declared a string here with private keyword, right? So this string, this variable, right, cannot be accessed by anyone else outside of class. Now for accessing that, we will use public methods here. So we will use get name method and set name method. Get name will get the method name directly, and set name will set the new name, right? Now we are creating the object of this class, and with the help of this object we are getting the name. So name as in we have name, what is stored here, Selenium automation. So Selenium automation is assigned to this, and finally we are printing this. Now with the help of set name we are setting the another name. So set name is called new name, and then set name is assigned to name. Now again with the help of get name we are getting the latest value of name, and then we are printing it here. So making sense, with the help of get name and set name we are able to achieve encapsulation here. Otherwise it was not possible to access this, this string. But with the help of get name and set name we can access this, and we can change this to another. So we in first first output we are making the class as read only class, and in the second output we are making the class as write only class. In the same class. So what I can do, I can do this in the different class also. So, with the help of inheritance here. So demo2 extends demo, and let me remove the code from here and then write it here. Okay, so here also if I do that, it works fine. Okay, system.out.println what value, right? So I will have value here. Okay, so I can do in the same class also, I can do in the other class also with the help of inheritance. Instead of this I can do it like this also. So instead of adding this here and here, let me do one more thing. String x equal to d dot get name and see, so x and then d dot set name is, let's say I'm changing the string here, name with Java, and then vj dot d dot get name is x here, and then I'm printing x. Okay, so this will also give, this will give me three outputs now. So first two outputs would be Selenium automation, and third output would be screening with Java. Selenium automation, Selenium automation.